Under the relentless sun, the vast farm becomes a stage for three separate worlds, each son drifting further from unity.
Raised voices cut through the air as the second son confronts a weathered neighbor, their dispute over land echoing louder than the farm's silent needs. In stark contrast, the third son reclines in the grass, lost in the clouds, his detachment a heavy burden on the land.
From the porch, the farmer watches, his brow furrowed with the weight of his son's division and the farm's uncertain future.
Sunlight pours into the rustic farmhouse, painting the air with dancing dust motes.
The farmer stands tall before his three sons, a weathered strength etched into his face. He holds out three sticks, each carrying the weight of an unspoken lesson.
The sons watch their father, anticipation and curiosity mingling in their gazes.
The light catches the farmer's eyes, reflecting years of toil and wisdom. Each stick represents a path, a challenge, a future yet unwritten.
The farm becomes a battleground as a fierce storm unleashes its wrath, threatening to obliterate the crops.
Driven by their father's wisdom, the sons emerge as beacons of resilience, each moving with unwavering resolve. Another son battles the tempest, reinforcing the farm's defenses with hammer and stake. Amidst the chaos, the precious harvest is saved from devastation, a testament to their unity and strength.